Good morning. This is Robert Sijpesteijn bringing you this morning's market update. Yesterday's strong rally on Wall Street evaporated and turned into losses yesterday as concerns about China's economy heavily outweighed the lower valuations which investors saw as an undervalued entry price. Despite China cutting their interest rate by a further 0.25%, the fifth cut this year, stock bills looking for a respite from the worst decline since 2011 instead had to watch as a 442-point rally in the Dow Jones Industrial Average vanished in the final hour. The US 500 lost 40 points yesterday to close on 1,854.73. At its current level, down 9.3% on the year, the US 500 index is 1% away from erasing its gains since the end of 2013. The US Tech 100 shaved off a further 43 points to close on 3,963.88, while the Wall Street erased a further 309 points to 15,577. Looking into commodities, gold went into a consecutive day of decline, dropping $7, closing at $1,146.3, with investors not rushing to this safe haven, preferring to choose currencies. Brent crude pulled back on its heavy fall from Monday, increasing by $1 to close at $43.48 a barrel. Global markets continue to be gripped by intense volatility as equity benchmarks swing sharply, encouraging investors to seek safety in government bonds. Britain's stocks resumed their decline, falling for an 11th day in 12. The UK 100 lost 1.9% at 8:25 a.m. in London, with commodity producers leading the drop once again. RSA Insurance Group and Royal Bank of Scotland were the only stocks in the gauge that didn't fall. They were little changed. Glencore Place, Antofagasta Place and Anglo-American Place retreated more than 3.5%, a gauge of UK mining shares. It's near its lowest level since 2009. In UK corporate news, Paddy Power and Betfair are to combine in an all-stock merger to create the world's largest online gambling company, in the latest round of consolidation to hit the sector. The two bookmakers have agreed a deal in principle that would create one of the world's largest online gambling companies by revenue. The union of the gambling sector's two best-performing companies will create a company worth in excess of £6.5 billion and send a warning to rivals such as William Hill. In a joint statement, the company said there was compelling strategic logic for a merger and it represents an attractive opportunity for both companies to enhance their position in online betting and gaming, to deliver synergies, customer benefits and shareholder value. Under the terms of the deal, Paddy Power would take 52% of the business and Betfair would take 48%. Both companies saw sharp rises in their share prices after the deal was announced, with Betfair up 18.6% to £30.87 and Paddy Power rising 16.6% to €90.70 in early trading. The Germany 30 rallied yesterday to a high of 10,188, removing all losses that were suffered on Monday. However, throughout the day, almost all of those gains were removed, with the Germany 30 closing at 9,725.1, 24 points higher than the previous day. In today's corporate news, Telmex, owned by América Móvil, is being investigated by Mexico's telecoms regulator over whether it breached the terms of its concession by being involved with the satellite television service, and WPP has reported revenue of £5.8 billion for the first half of 2015. Today's economic data and focus. At 9:30 in the UK, BBA mortgage approvals are released for July, and at 11 a.m, CBI distributive trade survey month-on-month for July is released, whilst at 12 o'clock in the US, MBA mortgage applications are released for August. That's all for today's market update. Thank you and goodbye.